Hbar holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in on a day-to-day basis. Whether the market is looking green or red, you guys are here daily and you guys know who you are. Appreciate you guys. Continue supporting, and your boy Crypto ZX will bring out these continuation of these daily updates. But anyhow, if you're looking across the board, we are seeing quite a bit of green across the market, and I'm sure no one's really complaining right now. We know what we've been noticing over the last few weeks. Pretty much since the start of the month of February, we have been seeing major amounts of volatility within the crypto markets. But today was a great day, of course. Obviously, we're approaching midnight here in North America, depending where you are. But Hbar up 8%. Again, we need these types of moves. We were seeing some major retracements, and right now, these moves were needed. And you're looking at Hbar up about 8%, with the price currently sitting at 22.5 cents, also up 7%, and Bitcoin comparative market cap approaching $9.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 254.6 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance here, guys, dominance index, again, I want to show you guys on the hourly time frame, has been ranging around this range. Of course, over the past 48 to 24 hours, we have seen that the dominance kind of retrace a little bit, but in a grand scheme of things, dominance is still quite high. Obviously, Donald Trump talked about cryptocurrencies, how he wants to make US the crypto hub, and the innovation to really take place here, which of course I think brought in more excitement towards the crypto industry. But people fail to understand there's a lot of people that are already calling the market top that's occurring. But remember, there are times where there's uncertainty within even a bull market, and this is where your risk strategy comes into play. I still do believe we have more upside, just based off of the way Bitcoin is still currently holding, the major developments that we're seeing day by day. There's a lot happening. I don't think the bull market is at the top. Of course, some people calling, quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four of this year going to be the top. No one's going to time that perfectly, but I still do believe it is going to, repeat history, from the past, especially the bull markets. We might see actually borrowing momentum. Maybe we have not even seen the worst yet in terms of borrowing momentum. We might see sideways momentum for quite some time before we see a pop out. But those are things I want you guys to keep in mind. But right now, Bitcoin, as you can see this for yourself, currently sitting at almost $97,000, still having a very hard time breaking out of our, resistance. But we'll take it from there, of course, one step at a time. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to talk about, Hbar's price. So Hbar right now, you guys can see this for yourself, has re-entered the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Really, really nice, of course. So far, so good. The fact that we're in the 61.8, I like seeing this. And again, if you picked up some Hbar around this 19.5 cents just a few hours back, you are up right now about 15%, which again is quite an impressive move. And yet we're still not anywhere close to the wick that we saw back on the February 3rd level. And again, as we are sitting in the 61.8, if you measure it from where we currently are, that still is a move of about 21.2%. So the higher the price of Hbar is, the better it is in case Bitcoin were to see a little bit of choppy levels. But this is why, we talk about Bitcoin dominance on a day-to-day basis. It's because dominance is still really, really high. Dominance is still really high. All it takes is Bitcoin to see a little bit of a minor pullback for dominance to go back up to the likes of 62% quite fast. So this is why, I'm not buying this move just yet. But again, a nice green day. Of course, no one's really complaining. We're back in the 61.8. Amazing to see. But you really want to see the price of Hbar, most importantly, start heading towards the likes of 27 cents. In my opinion, that is a safe zone where you would like to see the price of Hbar signal. And of course, it's not going to happen just in a snap. It's going to be one step at a time, and that is a move of about 20% additional from where we currently are. But if Bitcoin can finally make up its mind and start heading up to that six-figure price point, which we only retested, guys, once this month so far, literally once or two times, but not more than that, and we did not remain above that range for quite some time. So of course, this should really tell you, how Bitcoin has been reacting. So if Bitcoin does make up its mind, especially towards the upside, I do believe the Hbar price could recover quite fast. But again, let me know down below what you guys think. Today was, a massive day for XRP as well, the ETF interest, acknowledgement from SEC for all, the different filings that really shows you what direction we're really going in. And that just makes me more excited as, what's really coming for other digital assets that are US based companies as well. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. So far, so good. Hopefully we remain within the 61.8. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.